Everything you're seeing on screen right now was generated entirely by AI. I set out to recreate that iconic Netflix look using Seedance 2.0 in Dzine. And honestly, the results prove that the future of filmmaking is officially here. I will cut straight to the chase today. I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint, a 4-step process to transform your ideas into high-end cinematic content. This workflow is so efficient that it does the hard work for you, allowing you to focus on the vision while the AI handles the execution. We used to think this level of filmmaking was reserved for big budgets and elite studios. Not anymore. Seedance 2.0 in Dzine brings that premium movie aesthetic straight to your desktop for a fraction of the cost of a nice dinner. No film degree, no massive bank account, just pure creativity. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to whip up your own cinematic masterpieces from scratch. If you want to follow along, I've put the link in the description below. Let's dive in. Step 1, access, design, and create your first project. Now here comes my most exciting part, actually getting our hands dirty and setting up the stage. When I first logged in, I was literally blown away by how clean the interface is. I've spent hours in clunky software before, but this felt like home in about 5 seconds. Heading to the Dzine AI website and creating our account by clicking the Start for Free button. You'll see the clean main dashboard. From here, we can hit New Project. After that, you can write the name of the project and select the ratio aspect for your canvas. Then click Apply to Save. Here's what most people don't know. Picking the right canvas size early on saves you a massive headache later when you're trying to export for different platforms. It's all about that foundation. But wait until you see how we actually tell this AI what to generate, because that's where the real power kicks in. Step 2, designing your character and start frame. Now here comes my most exciting part, the brain dump phase where we talk to the machine. When I used the prompt formula to create my main character, the AI rendered a character with a remarkably realistic skin texture and expressive eyes, making her look like a real person ready for a screen test. We start by creating an image of our character, then select Nano Banana Pro as the AI model. You can immediately hit generate. AI will generate our character in less than 5 minutes. Once we have our main actor, we can generate images for the start frame. This is what I do to cut the headache. First, we can browse on the internet for a movie scene image. You can choose one as the reference image, whether the background matches what you envisioned or the pose that matches. It's all up to you because we can tweak that later. Then we can go to ChatGPT and upload the reference image. Type this short and simple prompt. Generate a JSON prompt to recreate this image. You can ask ChatGPT to tweak it, add character to the prompt, or change the background. Next, we can head back to Dzine, upload the virtual actor we just created, and paste the JSON prompt. After that, click Generate. The generation process just takes around 2 minutes until we have our start frame image. Here's what most people don't know. If you use descriptive adjectives instead of just nouns, the AI understands the vibe and not just the objects. It's like teaching a robot how to feel. Now that we have our start frame ready, we need to actually bring these visuals to life. Step 3, generating and animating the scenes. Now here comes my most exciting part, the moment of truth where we hit generate. I'm not kidding, my heart was actually racing when I clicked the button for the first time. When I clicked generate for the first cinematic wide shot, the AI blended the movement and the lighting so perfectly that it looked like $1 million camera rig was actually filming it. I literally jumped out of my chair and started pacing around the room because the motion was just that fluid. First, we start by clicking AI video on the sidebar and select Start and Last. After that, we can click on the AI model menu and pick Seedance 2.0. Then we can continue by uploading our generated start frame image. After that, we can continue by creating a prompt for our scene. You can use ChatGPT to generate the prompt with my formula and head back to Dzine and paste your prompt. Next, click on the advanced settings, and we can adjust the duration of the video and also the resolution. Then we can click on the generate button. It takes around 10 minutes until you have your first movie scene ready. Once it's finished, you can click and preview it. Here's what most people don't know. Every image has a unique seed number. If you find a look you love, you can lock in that specific seed to ensure your characters and environments stay identical across every single clip. It's the ultimate secret sauce for keeping your story consistent and professional without the AI changing faces on you. But even a great shot needs a little bit of a facelift to be truly perfect. Step 4, enhancing and upscaling to Ultra HD. Now here comes my most exciting part, the finishing touches that make people go, wait, is that real? When I pushed the resolution to Ultra HD and added that final touch of film grain, the AI sharpened the details so much that I could see the individual fibers on the character's clothing. I literally rubbed my eyes in disbelief. It went from looks like AI to looks like Netflix in a matter of seconds. First, we start by hitting the Video Enhance and Upscale tool under your generated video to sharpen every single pixel until it's crisp. Then, we continue by picking the Enhance options, and after that, hit the Enhance button. After the AI has finished enhancing our video, we can click on Video Enhance and Upscale again and select Upscale. Then, select the resolution you prefer. Next, you can click on Upscale. We can continue by hitting the final video, then clicking on the download button to export the video to our device. Here's what most people don't know. If a scene isn't 100% perfect, you can use the video editor tool right inside Dzine. Instead of regenerating everything, you just tell the AI what to change, and it updates the video while keeping your original shot intact. It's like having a digital VFX artist that works in seconds. Now, let's see how much this would actually cost you in the real world versus the AI world. If you hired a professional filmmaker to create these kinds of visuals, you'd be looking at upwards of $5,000 for a short trailer. If you tried to learn traditional CGI and editing, you'd be spending at least 2 years in film school just to get the basics down. With Dzine AI, you can achieve this entire look in less than 20 minutes. I know you're thinking, what if it's too hard? Not at all, the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. I've never generated a long video before. Can I really do this? Trust me, the workflow I just showed you is designed to scale. Once you master one scene, you're just a few clicks away from a full-length cinematic feature. Isn't this going to be expensive? Actually, it's a fraction of the cost of a single lens rental. Is it too time-consuming? Look at the clock, we literally just built a movie trailer while I was talking to you. The benefits here are massive. You get immediate results, your social media growth will skyrocket, and because your quality is through the roof, you save a ton of cash, and you finally have the creative freedom to tell the stories you've always had in your head. The link to get started is right down there. In the description, go grab it and start creating. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and join our community of future forward creators. The world needs to see your stories, so go make something incredible today.